If you're feeling unwell, eating the right kind of food can make your body stay nourished, hydrated, and help you fight off infection faster. So, here is a list of foods you can eat when you're sick. Having the flu with its annoying symptoms of cold, fever, and runny nose can sometimes completely kill your appetite. I know because I'm suffering from a bit of a cold right now. But it's important to eat at regular intervals because restricting your calories and not eating correctly can actually slow down your body's natural healing process. So, what's the best food to eat when you're under the weather? Number 1, soup. Let's start with the most obvious. Now, it's full of vitamins, minerals, and electrolytes that your body needs when recovering from the flu blues. Plus, it's easy to cook, it's easy to eat, and it will keep you full and hydrated. In this condition, it's extremely important to drink enough liquids because they help loosen the mucus in your nose and head. Chicken soup is obviously the trusted favorite, but any warm, brothy soup will do the job. Lemongrass soups like tom yum and pho are great at clearing sinuses. People from Thailand swear by lemongrass's healing effects. Carrot and ginger soup with a little bit of turmeric will do wonders because all these ingredients have natural antioxidant properties that boost recovery. A nutrient-rich broth like a thukpa or a mutton paya soup, if you're non-vegetarian, are also age-old remedies. Number 2, spicy food. While many people often tend to eat bland food when they're unwell, something hot and spicy can really help sweat out your sinuses when you're battling a cold. A Sprouts masala khichdi or a soothing dal khichdi will definitely give you a healthy combination of protein and easy to digest carbs for some much needed energy. You can also drink a fiery bowl of wholesome dal or kadhi, a steaming glass of peppery rasam, or even some hot and sour soup on a sick day can really feel like a liquid hug. Just make sure that even if you do eat something spicy, it's light and easy to digest. And of course, homemade is always best. But if you're living alone and you're not up to cooking, order from a trusted and clean restaurant. Number 3, hot infusions. Kadha is made in some form across the world to help the sick get better. And for good reason. Because drinking herbal infusions like kadha or hot teas can give you a boost of vitamins and minerals. Plus, it will soothe your throat, increase your water intake, and make you a little warmer and cozier. Hot ginger lemon water is a great option. Ginger is really good for you and has anti-inflammatory properties, while lemon is loaded with vitamin C. Drinking tea can also help your body fight off infections because, believe it or not, tea naturally contains some bacteria-fighting compounds which strengthen the body. Plus, with tea, there are so many types to choose from, like green tea, chamomile tea, peppermint tea, and so many more. If you have a cold, spicy food works. But if you have an upset stomach, it's a whole other story. You need to eat food that is easy to digest and doesn't irritate your already troubled tummy. But sticking to this list of preferable foods will definitely help you kick the illness faster. Number 1, keep it bland. Bland foods should be your go-to. Anything spicy has a high chance of irritating your gut, so stick to foods without any masala during this time. A good plain khichdi is super soothing and simple to make. Plus, it contains rice, which actually helps calm down an upset stomach. You can also eat some mashed potatoes because potatoes are rich in potassium and vitamin B6, making this dish really nourishing as well as delicious. If you're home alone though and cooking seems difficult, you can always eat some lightly buttered toast as well. And it's worth mentioning that many people swear by a cup of black coffee to help curb the loosies. Number 2, dahi and ghee. These are 2 awesome ingredients to add into your diet when you have an upset stomach. Yogurt is full of probiotics and healthy gut bacteria which can help calm down any inflammation in your stomach. Digging into a nice bowl of dahi rice can really help ease your tummy tensions. It's light and has a soothing effect on your body. You can also add a dash of ghee tadka to this because ghee can help line an irritated stomach and also aids in digestion. Many people drink a little bit of rice water as well which is just the starchy leftover water that you get when you boil rice. You can add a little bit of ghee to this with a mustard tadka to help enhance the flavor and make it more effective as well. Number 3, bananas. This is a fruit that people love to eat even when they are not sick, but it's great for when you have an upset stomach. When you're nauseous, vomiting, or you have diarrhea, your body is losing a ton of potassium along with liquids, which can cause weakness. Now, bananas are a great food to eat to combat this because they help boost potassium and help you retain liquids. Plus, the insoluble fibers in banana don't make your digestive system work harder than it needs to and help bind matter in your colon. Number 4, ginger. If you've been experiencing nausea and vomiting, you can add a little bit of ginger to your diet. Ginger is a common remedy used during pregnancy when women get morning sickness, and it can also be effective if you're struggling to keep your food down. A little warm ginger water taken a couple of times a day can be very soothing. An important thing we want to mention is that all of these remedies work for most people, but everyone's body is different. So make sure you listen to yours and you eat the food that suits you, or stop eating something if it doesn't work for you. We hope these tips help you feel better when you're feeling down. If you like this video, let us know in the comments below, and thanks for watching. And until next time, stay tuned and stay glamorous.